So we're told that 3 children inherited a total of X dollars, and they've given us these conditions. Now I need to assign them some variables. The oldest I'm going to call Z because I don't want to use O, might get confused with 0. And then we have this, I see the middle child and the youngest child. So middle child I'm going to call M, youngest is Y. And then I'm going to write these relationships. So oldest child inherited 7,000 more than the youngest. It's the first relationship. And the youngest child inherited 9,000 less than the middle child. Now the question is, what is X? So I'm going to actually write down X in terms of Z, M, and Y because eventually I need to reduce it to these variables. In fact, I might even simplify this. So it depends on the question. So here Z I have in terms of Y, 7,000 plus Y, and then we have, I can write M in terms of Y. M is Y plus 9,000. So M is, I'm really writing everything in terms of Y. And you'll see that this reduces to 3Y plus 1,600 is equal to what? So it's really about, can I find Y? So I'll go into statements now. Sometimes this part is necessary, sometimes it isn't. It really depends on the context. Statement 1 says the middle child inherited 27,000. Well, we have this equation which we'd be able to find Y, and then we have a unique value. So 1 alone is sufficient. 2 is the youngest child and the middle child together. Y plus M is 45,000. And again, we have M in terms of Y, so this would be an equation that will give me Y, and therefore I would also know what this is equal to. So each statement alone is sufficient. The answer is D. If you're feeling a little bit uncomfortable with your equations, you could solve for this value, and even though in data sufficiency you don't have to solve for it, but if you're feeling shaky with your translations, then what happens is your answer should come out to be the same for each statement when they're sufficient. And in case you end up with 2 different answers, you know that you made mistakes somewhere. So sometimes problems that are more difficult and I'm having difficulty digesting them, I might solve them, even though I know that there is a cost to that. But that's just, I just want to get a certainty for that particular question. But this one is easy enough for me, so I'm not actually going to solve for the variables because I'm also trying to conserve time. So to recap, the answer is D.